Meaning of futon.
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 Futon. Futon is a Japanese-style bedding made with layers of cotton or synthetic batting and encased in a removable cover. It is commonly used as a mattress on the floor, a bed, or as a couch during the day. The word futon refers to both the bedding itself and the type of furniture it can be used on. Its popularity in Japan has led to its adoption in other parts of the world. Futons are known for their simplicity, versatility, and easy maintenance. They are also considered a good option for people with back pain who prefer a firmer sleeping surface.